This channel does not promote or promotion any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant only for educational purpose only.
Yo, what's going on, YouTube family? So today we are installing my open flash tablet from my 2016 Scion FRS. I'm trying to get a little bit more power out of this. Hopefully we're gonna see if I notice anything different. I mean, it's worth a try for about what, $500? But yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna see.
Hollow points.
Actually go to the computer and download some of the flashes, you want to say, onto the car. You actually have to go get the confirmation code off of the tablet itself. So here's the tablet. This wires for the computer that we'll be using later, but this is what you want to plug into your OBD port, and the other end should go in here. It's a little funky. Well, make sure it's in place. And yeah. Okay. So now with that plugged in, I'm gonna jump back into the car. Alright, so once you have your open flash tablet plugged into your OBD port, you want to make sure that your key is into the on position. Then you want to go to tuning. You want to select your vehicle, FRS, bump, read, sorry. It's onto the on position, just making sure. All right, so yeah, at this point, you don't want to, I don't even want to run the AC. All right, so it did complete. I think we've had the ignition off for a good 20 seconds now. Just gonna hit okay. All right, and then I believe you get a confirmation code, my car.
Okay guys, so after you initialize it, you gotta set it up to the vehicle. So when you first turn it on, you come to tuning, you read, so it reads your ECU. After it reads the ECU and you wait 20 seconds, turn the car off, turn it back on, you just come in the ECU info. You want to confirm that it did read the car. So it read the car, the VIN came up, and now we got the calibration code. And with the calibration code, we can download flashes.
So that USB cable that it came with, you want to connect. I don't even know what to call that, but obviously that goes into there, and the USB goes into there. You want to type into Google or Safari, openflashtablet.com. You then want to go to supports and downloads, and free off-the-shelf tune download is a request. Once you go to supports and downloads, you want to go to free off-the-shelf tunes and download request.
Now you got to enter all this information. So you got to put in the open flash tablet information, car, make, model, and all that stuff.
Okay, y'all, so after y'all set up y'all's account and you give all that information, you want to go into search products. And then that's when you're going to use that confirmation, calibration code you got off the tablet. So I'm just going to type mine here. Z0D. Well, these are your basic off-the-shelf maps that you can grab. So you're gonna add this to the cart. Then you want to hit view cart. It's gonna say $0. It's again free. It came with the tablet. and proceed to checkout. Chill out. So from this point, these are gonna be your main files.
Honorable mention, you will have to download the OpenFlash Manager if you plan on using your tunes on your OpenFlash tablet. Once you download the file, you will only be able to upload it through the OpenFlash Manager. I think KOSI is gonna download that. And then we'll be tuning in minutes, mere minutes.
It's trying to identify our OpenFlash tablet at the moment. It can kind of take a couple minutes. It can take a little bit longer. It's just.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, yeah. Speaking of the devil. All right. Cam got that good Wi-Fi.
Yes, sir. You want to give a Wi-Fi shout out?
You know, no, they don't deserve it, honestly. They really don't.
So assuming you downloaded your tunes, after all of your updates, you're gonna do upload data. It'll pull up all of your stuff. The original file, which is your original tune when you read the vehicle the first time, should be present. And then from there, you're just gonna upload whatever tunes you got. So we're gonna do stage 2 plus, upload that. And then we got stage 2 plus E85. We're gonna put that. Gonna scroll down here and start. All right, data's been written. So we got our tunes. All right, so now we just need to go put it in the car. Let's go.
Gonna go do some pulls. So we get a good before and after.
Yeah, it's only right. Instead of just throwing the mother freaking tune on there, we're gonna do some pulls first. Little pre-tune warm start. Check engine light, boys.
Yes, sir.
So that's stock, no tune. We're gonna go ahead and upload the stage 2 plus catless. We were supposed to do E, but what happened, sir?
Talk about that.
Bro, today we were literally supposed to do E85 on the FRS.
We're not gonna talk about that. You wanna blame your friend DREY.
So we were doing ours in accessory mode. It says just doing it on, which is usually not accessory mode, but I mean, if y'all want to try it a different way.
All right, so from here, I believe right. And yeah, those are gonna be the tunes that we just did. I'm so hurt with the E85. Gonna continue. All right, so I'm just gonna rest this down. We'll catch back with y'all later.
All right, it's our first ride, stage 2 plus. We should know right off the bat if it feels different. I done rode in this car.
I don't know. It does have that dead pedal.
All right,
It's gonna feel like 10,000.
Let's get it.
Wait a minute. Hold on. Hold on.
How's it feel?
It definitely feels different. Yeah.
E.
Bro, we're gonna go on E tonight. Swear.
Oh, but do y'all see these vibes?
Oh yeah, you already know. You already know.
You don't make no different sounds?
Niggas are ignorant. What more do you want, bro? We stage 2+. Have some respect.
I thought it was gonna make pops.
Nah, you gotta tune it for that, bro. I mean, unless you ready to give me that laptop right now, we can do that.
Is there a difference?
We can do that now. There's definitely a difference.
I mean,
There's definitely a difference. I mean, he wouldn't know because, you know, he big turbo Jetta.
my car is slow.
Big turbo Jetta. But there's definitely a difference.
Feels good. Go do some donuts.
Some donuts right now, right here? All right, bet I'm gonna get out.
So, yeah, I don't know. It definitely does feel different. Like, normally there's a notorious torque dip with these cars from third to fourth. Yeah. And that's completely smoothed out now.
Is it better in third?
Oh yeah, definitely. Definitely. And then from second to third, it's peppy now. It's peppy. You can actually fucking take over somebody.
Did you do a launch? You said I can take over somebody?
You can add launch control on it. I could download that. I could download that. But I mean, I don't know.
Gonna sound like a Subaru for real.
But nah, it's definitely worth it. It's definitely worth it. We're gonna fucking be ignorant and download some pops and bangs and have to go into the fuel timing and yeah.
Him.
It's pretty easy.
All right, y'all, so I made it back, day 2. We're back at the racetrack with the E85 because your boy done goofed up and yesterday put way too much gas in his car. I wasn't paying attention. But today we're gonna go E85. So, just gonna turn off the car. That is so much better than whatever that is. All right, so we're just gonna let that fill up, but we'll get back to you and see if we notice any difference in the pulls. So we should have enough E85 in the gas tank now through the fuel lines. We're just gonna do a quick little pulls. Hopefully this place that I'm going to isn't too crowded. It's just close by, so I really couldn't find a nice spot. But a second. Oh yeah, what the fuck? Oh yeah. You could immediately feel the difference. Way more responsive off of E85. You can definitely feel it's way more torque. So if you could get E85, I don't know where you guys are located, but if you could get E85, I would definitely go for it. I have a 5-gallon tank in my car, so, well, I should say reserve, not an actual tank. So I'm gonna fill up on that just in case for emergencies. If I ever do run out and I can't reflash right then and there. But I would suggest keeping that open flash tablet on you at all times. Just, you know, you never know. But yeah, I would think it was a success, right?